Welcome to day 6 of our 30-day full moon ritual. Tonight, I want to take a moment for us to reflect on how far we've come, where we are at in this moment. Take a look at your past journal entries. What are you feeling? This part is uncomfortable, but it's where your power is. Pay attention to your role in the pattern, not to blame yourself, but to take control back. Where are you allowing it, participating in it? Be honest where you need to change and what can get you there. Ownership isn't blame, it's leverage. Today, we shift into ownership, not blame, but recognizing where you have influence, but also where we are right now. Change isn't easy nor fast. It takes dedication, consistency, and feeling our feelings. Take your time. Don't rush through this process. It's in these moments where answers start to surface, where strength and power can take root. When you are finished with your entry, find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a slow inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale and exhale. Let your breath settle. Bring your awareness into your body. Feel the support beneath you. Relax your shoulders. Soften your jaw. Now bring to mind the pattern you've been working with. See a recent moment where it showed up. Gently ask yourself, where am I participating in this? Not with judgment, just honesty. Are you avoiding something? Allowing something? Repeating a familiar response. Notice how that realization feels in your body. Stay with it without pushing it away. Now recognize this. if you have a role in the pattern, you also have the ability to shift it, even in small ways. Ownership is where your power lives. Not everything is in your control, but something is. I have the power to respond differently. Take a slow inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale and exhale. Focus on your breath, your lungs expanding as air enters and collapses as you exhale. Feel the power, the depth, the control as you feed your body life. Again, inhale and exhale. As you breathe, try and erase your mind. Focus on the sounds, my voice. But practice gently pushing away any thoughts that try to enter, especially negative ones. Allow peace to fill you. Starting from the top of your head, to your shoulders, to your fingertips, hips, to your toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Slowly rise. Stretch if you need to, but most importantly, let only peace follow you to bed. I hope within my heart of hearts, this journey has been as fruitful and as helpful to you as it has been for me. And I look forward to day 7.